What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. After a very long time we are getting connected again. I'm sorry I was kind of busy with my office work, so had not got much time to do any kind of reviews, but going forward again we are going to pump up our reviews and we are going to do a lot of reviews. Today is going to be a very special day guys. We are going to unbox a very beautiful helmet which I wanted for a very long time, and at last I got my hands on it. So without any further ado guys, we are going to unbox the SMK helmet. To be very precise guys, this video is going to be very crisp. This particular helmet is actually called as SMK, the brand, and the model in this is called as the Gullwing model. So we have four different variations in it. One is the Tour Leader, one is the Cresto, and one is Tecker, and the unicolor one. Right now what we have with us today is the Tour Leader. I specifically love the combination of colors it has. We're going to quickly go and unbox this, and I'm going to show you how the helmet looks, what all the features the helmet actually provides. All the information will be seen today in this video guys. So on the count of 3, 2, 1, poof. So guys, before we unbox, I'll quickly tell you what is available in the box. So the box is very unique color, like black with red, my personal favorite, and we have the SMK helmets here, and we have the website link given here. We also have a holder to hold the box like this, and the box seems to be a good quality. And then on the side we have SMK helmets style and safety we have, and this has the ISI certified, so we have the ISI mark here. And then what is the feature is, it comes with a fog resistant lens included, so Pinlock system is also provided with the helmet, so good job there SMK. And in this side we have the details of the helmet, like we have the price, and then we have the quantity, and what color code is it, and what is the size. All the details are given here. So if you're going to purchase one for yourself, go ensure you measure the size of your head before you get the helmet, so that it is a perfect snug fit guys. So once we open the box guys, we have our helmet SMK model itself. So this is the 2 liter, and it looks really stunning guys. I'll quickly go ahead and keep the helmet aside. I'll say first what is available inside the box, and then we will quickly go ahead and check the specification of the helmet. So we have, this is a general cover what we get from the store. We have the SMK bag available here, so it comes with a branding called SMK in it. Not too good quality cover, but yeah, it's okay to take it during a dry season, but during rainy season obviously it's going to get wet. Then we have the Pinlock file here. Then what else do we have? So we have a couple of information on the certification books which is available inside the box. Keep these things on the side and we'll quickly review the helmet. So coming to the helmet guys, this helmet looks really nice. There is a very good feature which is provided in this helmet. I'll tell you when we go ahead with the review. So first thing and foremost, the color contrast is really nice. We have gray, white, and then we have red, and the beautiful M grade branding SMK in the helmet. This is a glossy version. We do have the matte version available in this, but the price difference is going to be the same. There's no much difference. It comes to cost you around like 6,500 rupees on the market. So we have the Creto, which is another version. I'll quickly put a thumbnail on the bottom right. You can see the model, and then we have the Tecker and the unicolor as well available. So unicolor is like you have the full black with the gray and other combinations available. So this two-wheeler is fantastic looking, so I thought why don't I take one and do a review. On the back you have this European EC certification available. Then we have the ISS certification. There's no dot certification, and the weight of it is 1.7 kg guys. Seems to be a bit heavier, but obviously this has a multi-purpose helmet, so I'll show you what are the multi-purpose, so the weight expectation can be the same. Now coming for the ventilation part, what all is available is we have a top ventilation on here, which is good. The airflow goes through the hair follicles and you feel comfortable riding, no much sweat coming. And then you have a ventilator here, and then we have the outlet here available in the back. No external big spoilers concept and all. It's very simple and neat and clean. And then we have a clear visor. We have also a tint visor available, but obviously it's an extra accessories which we need to purchase. But this is the clear visor which comes with a Pinlock. So a Pinlock is very, very helpful, guys, during monsoon season, specifically when you ride, and obviously when we breathe hot, that time there will be fog coming up in the screen which will actually distract our ride. So this Pinlock will be very helpful for in that case. So always go for a Pinlock session. So these are the kind of advantages in this. Other than this is, as I said, it has multi-purpose. I'll show you quickly on what is it. Before that, the only disadvantage is this has a clip lock. It is not a D-ring. So basically we always suggest to buy the D-ring option, because that's the most safest way to wear a helmet. Even if someone falls down, the helmet doesn't get out of the head. But when it's a clip, there are possibility that the helmet can get removed, and obviously there could be a injury to the head. So it is always better to get a D-ring. It's not provided, but this helmet is very well useful for any short rides or any city rides, office rides, all these things you can use, because the quality of the shell is really good. So we have the nose protector here along with the branding available SMK, and the padding seems to be really nice. I love the padding part. It's kind of comfortable and nice. And then we have the intercom facility option available inside. So if you want to buy an external Bluetooth intercom, or you can always purchase one and you can connect it inside. You have the ports available. So they have given the ports like this. If you can see, I don't know, let me quickly remove this. Can you see the dots here? 1, 2, 3 holes here. This is for the speaker. It gets packed inside. So good thing is that the speaker doesn't touch our ear directly, so that we'll have ear pain and all. So there's no issues like that. And then we have, instead of the chin, basically in the helmet we have the chin protector here, right under the helmet, which comes. This doesn't come like that as a one which can be removable. This is a fitted one. So it comes like this. It is a fitted one. You can't pull this out. So you have a secondary visor available. This is the lock for it. If you do this, you have the secondary visor coming down. So this is going to be very helpful during rides. You can open the clear visor and use this one if needed. And then we have one more option, which is this button here. You see this button? It's very solid. Just press this and it becomes a half helmet. So it is really amazing, specifically for a price bracket, and the quality of design, everything seems to be really nice. I feel this is worth the money. So I can use an intercom mic here, as well as I can open it. As and when I don't want to use this, I can just pull this down and yeah, it's locked and the mic goes in. So similar way, you have to just press this and pull it out. And if you ask me, if this helmet goes down on the ground, it touches the ground, does this lock open? There are chances that the lock can open, guys. Obviously, if you're going in a high speed and if someone falls down, this lock can break and it can open the helmet. So that is one risk which I feel, because the lock system doesn't seem to be completely powerful. See, you can hear the tut noise. Once again, you see that? So the division actually is making some noise. We need to be really careful. But other than that, if you look for a city ride, if you look for a short ride, something like 50 to 60 or 100 kilometers is good. So if it's it is a perfect fit, guys. So snug fit is something like this particular chin. So basically, I'd like to explain certain things about helmet. Whenever you buy a helmet, you have to ensure this padding should be very intact to your face and your cheek should come up. The moment this padding is very loose, there are options that the helmet will keep shaking. Even if high speeds wind blast happens, the helmet keeps shaking. So ensure this padding is kind of snug fit. It should be like this. I was not able to show this particular option in any of the helmets because it was all full face helmet, but this is being a multi-purpose helmet. It was easy to show you. So this should be snug fit, so that there is no much shake like this. When you put this lock, see this one, and at the same time, if I want to take a breather, I can open this option, or I can just go ahead and close it. Now this becomes a full helmet, guys. And to open it, we have a option available here given in the visor, so you can just push this up. So this is how the helmet looks, guys, on the side. Okay, and yeah, this particular model has lot of other colors also available in it. So this is one of the colors which we are seeing, but we do have the same model, the same type of gullwing into unicolor, and then we have the Tecker model, which is kind of orange, white and gray involved. The unicolor seems to be like black and gray model. That is what we are using. So other than that, and then we have this Cresto, which is pink, gray and white mixed. My overall feedback on this particular helmet is that, you know, it is a good helmet for the price value, but yeah, it is kind of little bit heavy. That is obviously there, but when I wear it in the head, I don't feel it, because I always use a kind of a little bit heavy helmets, something around 1.7 kgs, 1.4 to 1.7 kgs I use. And if in case if I'm riding like this, I feel dust is coming too much and I want to see properly, I can put in this particular visor. So this looks like Maverick, guys.
Dagger attack.
So I really love the quality of glass which is used. This is an anti-scratch glass which is provided both for the visor and the secondary glass as well. Value for money, yes, it is indeed value for money. For a long touring, no, I don't prefer this helmet to be used on a long touring. This helmet is good for city rides, office rides. You can go for short rides, something around 150-200 kilometers. It's okay, it's perfectly fine. And on a very slow pace, if you're going to ride, it's going to be okay, guys. So this is the overall feedback and review about the Gullwing model. Thank you so much, guys, for taking time and watching this video. It was really great seeing you guys after a very long time. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's peace out from Bharat and take care. Sayonara, bye bye.